Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we need to perform the following conversions, right? So for part A, we will write here 5 days. So we need to convert 5 days into seconds, right? So 5 days, we are writing with units as well here. So 5 days is equals to 24 hours per day, right? And you can see 60 minutes per hour, right? And it has into, we will just multiply it by 60 seconds per minute, right? So according to the units, minute cutoffs, and hour is also cut, and days is cut. Now only seconds is left. That means there is 432,000 seconds, right, in 5 days, right? So now moving ahead, we will see for part B the conversion for point zero zero, or I'm sorry, 0550 miles, right? So this will be given by point 0550, that is miles, right? So 1 mile equals to 16.344 meters. This is in per mile, right? So this mile is cut. This will give us 88.51 meters here, right? Now moving ahead for the part C, we can see dollar 1.89 per gallon is given us, right? So dollar 189 divided by 1 gallon equals to 3.785 liters. That means this liter is in per gallon. But here you can see 1 gallon is already given. So this gallon and this gallon cut off. So this will give us dollar 0.499 per liter here. Alright. So now moving ahead for the part D, we can see for the part D, here it is 0.510 inches per milliseconds, right? So here we can see 0.510 inches per milliseconds. Now here we can say 0.510 inches per milliseconds into, this means that in 1 kilometer there is 39370.0787 inches, right? So how in 1 inch how many kilometers will be there? So we have just divided it, right? So we will be getting here like this into, there are, you can say, in 1 hour there is 36 triple zero double zero milliseconds, right? So in 1 hour how many, in 1 milliseconds how many hour will be there? So this should be 1 by 36000000, right? This much value is coming. So in this way we will just cut off this milliseconds, inches, right? And only kilometer per hour unit is only there. So we can further simplifying, we will get 0.510 this will give us 91.44, this value, right, when we solve this. So this will give us finally 46.634 kilometer per hour. So this will be the value. Now moving ahead, we will see for part E. So for part E, 22.5 gallon per minute is given to us. Alright. So now, what does it mean? So for this solving, we know that gallon we have known, right? So gallon is nothing but this will be gallon, per gallon in liters will be, this will be gallon per minute. And let me see, this is 1 gallon equals to, in 1 gallon how many liters are there? 3.785 liters per gallon, right? Can we write this? Right. So now we want in liters per second, right? So here 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, right? 60 seconds per minute. Okay. So how can we solve this? Let me see. 3.785 divided by 60. This will give us nothing but this is 0.0631, right? So we are just cutting off this. Gallon is cut off. Minute is cut off, and only liter per second as unit is left. So here it is 22.5 into this becomes, the fraction becomes 0.0631, right? So this will finally give us 1.42 liter per second. So this is the answer for the part E. Now for part F, we can see here 0.025 feet square is given to us. We want to convert it into centimeter cube. So 1 feet is nothing but this is equals to 30.48 centimeter per feet. Can we write this? Yes, per feet is given. So this will be feet cube. This is feet cube, right? So this is 0.025 feet cube, and this is cube again. So this will finally give us this feet cube cuts off, and only centimeter cube is left as the unit. So this will give us 707.92 centimeter cube. This is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.